How to get promo code for Seatgeek. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Seatgeek promo code 2024. Tons of different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it just by clicking on it. It will be redirecting you to this page. In this page, different promo codes will be available to you. Not only that, but also the discounts and offers are available. Once you have searched for the specific discount and offers, click on it. Well, you can see the promo code is visible to you. All you want to do is copy this code. Once the code has been copied, now what you want to do is head over to your application Seatgeek. Whenever you buy the tickets, at the time of the payment or checkout, you'll find the option where it says codes. All you want to do is enter the promo code right there, and then your promo code will be applied successfully. You will be able to receive certain amount of discount and offers with it. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can get promo code for Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.